Hello everybody, we're working in a 2011 Honda Odyssey. We have a new key that we're going to program in. This is the existing key. Our machine is plugged into the vehicle OBD right there. So we're going to go to, obviously after we chose the vehicle, we're going to go add a key, insert program key into the ignition. It's already inserted. We're going to continue. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on, just following what the machine's telling us to do. Turn the ignition off. Insert the new key in within 15 seconds. Okay. We're waiting for that green light to shut off. That is the immobilizer light. That light tells you if the key is programmed or not. It's not out. Failed. We're going to have to try it again.